Now, do you know you can make money while you answer questions? I mean, while you answer simple questions, okay? So you can make up to $50 a day or $100 a day, okay? With this site I'm about to tell you. So all you have to do is stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to show you step by step on how you can start making money with this site. I will tell you in the next minute. Now, before we start, I would like to introduce myself for those of you that is seeing me for the first time. I'm a digital. I'm an internet marketer. I teach people on how you can start making money online with different strategies. Okay, so if you are somebody that have not make a dime online, or if you are somebody that to make money online with your smartphone, okay, all you have to do is click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon to be notified each time I drop video like this one you are about to watch. So guys, this is the site I'm telling you about. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the link in the description below, okay? So when you click on that link, it's going to take you to this interface, and all you have to do is go click on sign up, then sign up with your Gmail account or your Google account, okay? So after signing up, it's going to show you something like this. So you can see they have many offers for you to do and for you to make money with this offer. They have different offers like Vico, Lucky Wheel quiz. This is a survey, that's quiz. You can make money by answering questions. You can see vision quiz, question. These are all surveys, okay? You can also listen to music and make money. You can also play games. There are many offers, okay? So when you complete this offer, they are going to give you the money. They're going to give you coins, sorry, and this coin is converted as your money, okay? And you can withdraw the coin as your money. If you use that link I'll drop in the description below, they are going to give you a welcome bonus, okay? Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon to be notified each time I drop another video, okay?